Ride around town in the wood. I be really feeling like I got to
What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Kelsey Summer back with another video, and of course I have Mrs. Cloud9 with me. But we currently have a special guest today, which is he riding right behind me, and of course it's King Hemi 392. You know, my boy, and that just got the scat that 2 videos ago that I had posted. But yeah, got him with us. He's down here in South Carolina with us. So me and him just, you know, in the area. We headed to this location to get some pictures and just ride, just chill with each other. So y'all just stay tuned with the video. Just a nice little short vlog for today. But once again, I have right there King Hemi 392. Y'all be sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. His channel is blowing up right now, so y'all don't want to miss what he has. So yeah, stay tuned. I just want to say, my boy ain't even got, like, the car fully stocked, and the car sound crazy, man. It's crazy how the 5.7 have such a distinct sound compared to the 5.7. Whoa, I said that wrong. His 6.4 have a different sound compared to my 5.7, and we all know the answer why. But I'm just telling you, Dodge really just still amazes me. How they just really just took off with the Scatpacks and Hellcats. Once again, y'all know I'm just in my 5.7, but it's just cool, man. It's just cool, but continue to stay tuned. Alright, y'all, once again, got my boy King Hemi 392. Telling y'all, I love the sound of the Scatpack. I may need to get me one real soon. Alright, y'all, so we made it to my undisclosed location. But once again, spending the day with King Hemi 392. Y'all be sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. And once again, shout out to Girls Garage for looking out. Girls Garage, he really the GOAT. You know, y'all know that's who did the Cloud9 on mine. But once again, we just really out here about to get some flicks of the cars. And shoot, just enjoy ourselves. It's Sunday, day after Christmas. Got to. But once again, y'all subscribe to my guy King Hemi 392. Once again, my boy just got into town last night. Hey, y'all need to check out his video. I don't know if he posted it yet, but we had to change the tire, y'all. We had to change the tire because the tire went out on the highway. But I don't know if he uploaded that video yet. But yeah, like I said, he just got these. Tune in to that King Hemi 392. About to get us some quick flicks so I can post on for Mopar Monday. Alright, y'all, so me and King Hemi 392 are about to do a quick 0 to 60, probably a couple of them. I've been wanting to get a 0 to 60 at my 5.7. Then we're gonna compare it to his. So we're gonna compare the 0 to 60 from a 5.7 to 6.4. So yeah. All right, y'all. So we just did the 0 to 60 and King Hemi 392 Scat, and it's still impressive how it's a big difference compared to, you know, my 5.7 to the 6.4. But now we about to get in mine to compare it. So here we go.
You know, powerful. I was a little afraid, a little more afraid, just a little bit. But I was afraid here too, so yeah, it was intense.
But tell the people which one was really like, it just got you from the start. I'm telling y'all, it's a major difference compared to the 6.4, this beautiful Scatpack, and the 5.7. I mean, it's a big difference. But once again, Hemi, this one's smaller, that one bigger. But my lady had the chance to experience King Hemi 392 Scatpack, and it was her first time in the Scatpack, correct?
You about to let her drive it now.
But yeah, my 0 to 60 times, my first one was an 8.5, my second one was a 6.4, and my third one was a 7.2. And as y'all would see the clips of that, I was launching it at 3,000 RPMs and launch control. So I'm kind of impressed with the times. Once again, I do have like headers, and I gotta get my tune, gotta get my cam put in and all that. So I mean, of course that's coming, but you know, just for a cold air intake, mid muffler delete and all that, that's actually pretty decent times for a 5.7. But of course, we're gonna have better times as time comes, so I can get my stuff put on. And we are slowly, I don't know if the people know, but we are slowly building up this 5.7 to get ready for the track for next summer. So that's why I've been looking for, you know, slicks and all. So we are getting this thing ready. Once again, my beautiful lady right here. There we go. And King Hemi 392. Man, it's always a pleasure being with my guy right here. So, yeah, it's been a good day. It's day after Christmas. Can't beat it.
We're gonna line it up now.
Yeah, we about to line it up before we get up out of here. You see how bad he was spinning?
By the time my tires actually got to it,
You
you was already like this in front of me.
Yeah, but you, if
it was a long yard,
yeah,
of course.
you would have got me. But, are you still recording? But, that's what happens. Like, we both on 245. But that's a lot of power on 245s, man. So,
Spinning ain't winning.
Spinning ain't winning. But, hey, man, y'all subscribe to the channel. Please be sure to subscribe to King Hemi 392, man. And,
Hey, Make sure y'all go subscribe to that channel as well. We're trying to get to 1,000.
Yeah. Hey, we continue going up. We are really continuing to go up. That probably don't even make sense. I probably ain't say it right. But yeah, man. Cloud9. Then we got this beautiful scat right here. Once again, I'm gonna get me a scat real soon. But I gotta get finished fixing up this car so I can have two of them. But yeah, once again, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and also follow my IG page, Cloud9_Charger. And yeah, peace.
Alright, they got me in the car.
He got me that time.
While they raced on our way out.
Help me.
Hey, that was way better.
Bye, y'all.
Hey man, once again, subscribe to the channel. Shout out to King Hemi. Please, voice crack. Please subscribe to King Hemi 392, man. The boy page is blowing up. And also, we trying to get me up there as well.